Kinetic Carl here in my other happy place, Samoa Shops, working on a boiler. I've got the one end of the plug kit loose. You'll see the shafts going back and forth. I have a all thread running through the boiler. This plug is still tight, but it's got the hole going through it, leading to the other plug at the firebox end. And I just smacked the end of that all thread and it knocked out this plug. You'll see it loose in there. Here, I'll try to see if I can reach in there and pull it back. Sorry about that. But you see that plug is now loose. I'm going to remove all this gear on this end, and then I'll turn the thread, or the threaded shaft has a nut in the middle, which I use to push this one off. And once I get things loose, I'm then going to turn it around and use it to push the other end off. And then our one plug tube is no longer plugged. I'm getting ready to remove all 48 of these, including the plugged tube. One that, well, it's being unplugged as it has a leak. I don't think that'll show the forest of fire tubes in there. Hang on. I'm going to switch hands and get a light source going here. Let's see what this does for seeing down inside. Try to find the perfect spot to get some light and not, oh, there we are, right. That's not too bad. You see the forest of tubes in there. Those are called fire tubes. And not the one that's right in the front, but the one just behind. Let's see if I can point at it. This one, the one that, this one right here. That one, just behind it is our leaker, I think. Let me look down here. Yeah, see there's, I don't know if you can see, but that's the tube sheet. And it's the one just behind the one on top here that has the leak. And the leak, I think we could see it with a borescope, which my iPhone is not, and I'm not going to slip my iPhone down in there. But anyhow, that goes through the fire, or through the boiler with fire going through the center of it. That's it right there, and then it comes out right there, and that's the one I'm going to knock out next. So I'm going to sign out here and get to the next step. But there you have it. Kind of bring it back here. The boiler from kind of looking at the top. That'd be the firebox door. The whole boiler's laying on its side. This is just so I can work on it. Its normal position would be upright. Kinetic Carl at my other happy place, signing out.